The xIO XLR series has a button on the front panel that makes this device versatile and useful for many different applications. In this tech tip video, we'll cover how to set the button up to be used as a paging toggle to mute and unmute a microphone that will page the whole building. In this site file, we can see there are 5 zones: lounge, patio, VIP, restroom, and kitchen. This site will be incorporating an xIO XLR one by one, and it will be used to page to all zones in case of emergency or if other site-wide announcements are required. You can see that the red highlighted wire is where the xIO XLR signal will be going. Note that the kitchen does not have any background music or microphone audio from the rest of the system. Also note this programming has a single gain module handling the audio level for the xIO XLR. This is the mute that will be controlled. First, set the xIO XLR button press function to control pins. Now, enter into the design view of the site and drag in the intelligent module and the shown logic modules, 8-button latched, flip-flop, and dual preset trigger, and wire them accordingly. If you like, rename the 8-button latch to reflect the LED controls. This can help stay organized when programming. In this case, we'll only really need the red, green, and on controls for the inside of the xIO XLR. However, all 8 wires are connected. Open up the 8-button latched, as well as the dual preset triggers. Engage the on and red buttons, and ensure their on level is set to 100%. Then give the dual preset triggers presets 1 and 2. Decide which preset you would like the muted state to be. This programming uses preset 2 for this. Right-click in the outer area of the 8-button latched and store module settings in preset 2. Now, open up the gain module for the xIO XLR and engage the mute. Then, right-click on the mute to set it to preset 2 as well. Next, reset the 8-button latched so that the red button is off and the green button is on, leaving the on button engaged. Right-click and store module settings in preset 1. Disengage the xIO XLR gain module's mute button and add it to preset 1 as well. At this point, test your presets from Preset Manager, located in Tools, Preset Manager or Control-G, to ensure they are working as they should. Preset 1 should recall the unmuted state with the green LED on. Preset 2 should recall the muted state with the red LED on. Composer must be online to view logic programming working, so push the site design and go online. The xIO XLR LED should update to the current state of the logic programming, likely the muted state as the flip-flop default state is not Q. Test the programming with the xIO XLR panel button to ensure the preset states are acting as they should.